I think you have to understand what we're talking about today, which is direct and interactive. Yeah? No, I assume you all understand that. I think you have to understand product placement. A great many products have been built, or big brands have been built, without any advertising whatsoever. And if you go into, if you're staying here and you go into your bedroom, you'll see there'll be bottles of something in the bathroom which has never been advertised, but is doing very well, thank you. There are lots and lots of products, all built by product placement. I think you have to understand word of mouth, which now are wonderfully viral. Viral. What people do now, you know, they take something that's been around forever, give it a fancy new name, and everyone's like, fuck me, viral, you've got to have some of that. Bollocks. Yeah. You've got to understand personal selling. There is nothing more effective in the world than somebody standing in front of you who you can't bloody well ignore, selling you something. I had, in the 1970s, I was so broke that I lived for 7 years under a false name, as I owed the tax people so much fucking money.